Ndewo. Ndewo, aha m Bijoma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay, so I'll be speaking mostly English because I'm going to talk about my one-to-one Igbo language coaching. Okay, so I'm talking about it because I know there are some of you that want one-to-one Igbo language coaching, but you're not sure what to do, how to go about it, and how to go about applying it, the process and all that. So that's what I'll be telling you today. Okay, how to get into my one-to-one coaching and what you get out of it. Right. So ịchọrọ ka m kụziere gị Igbo one-to-one, okay? The first step I would advise you to do is to know the steps that I take my clients. So the clients I have at the moment, there's steps that we follow, different phases, okay, to get them to speak confidently, okay? I will leave a link below this video and that will explain it more, the 5 steps, okay? But I'll give you briefly what those 5 steps are. So normally, we will try and work out why you're learning Igbo, because that's very important, okay? Because I will determine how far you will go with your learning Igbo, how serious you are, and what you're prepared to do to learn it, okay? Because somebody might just be learning it for fun and they are just perfectly happy with YouTube videos. So that's okay. Okay, but that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about if you know you want to go beyond the YouTube videos, okay? So keep listening. So we need to work out why you're learning Igbo, and these are things that we discuss on a call. Okay, usually before I enroll people in my one-to-one programs or any of my programs for the matter, we usually get on a call. Okay, we'll find out why you're learning Igbo. We'll find out your goals. Okay, because you're the one learning it, you have to have goals, especially conversation goals. Which ones? Which topics? Okay, of course the basic ones everybody usually wants to start with: greeting, introduction, family, eating. Okay, but there might be ones that are special to you, maybe because of the kind of work you do. You want to discuss maybe a particular hobby in Igbo. Okay, so we discuss your goals and we also discuss your time goals. So what time have you brought out to learn Igbo? Is it I was about to say 1 month. Is it 1 year? Is it 2 years? Is it 6 months? So depending on where you're starting at, okay? You work out your plan. How long do you want to learn? It doesn't mean you have to spend that whole time with me. It might be that I teach you typically for 8 weeks and then you go and do your study by yourself, or even maybe get another coach along the way. Okay, but at least you make a plan on how you will get to your goal of speaking Igbo confidently. All right, okay. And when you've made a plan, then you actually start speaking. And when you've spoken for a while, if you're working with me, okay, one-on-one, usually about after the first 4 weeks, okay, we'll review what we've done, okay, and not just the topics, we'll review the method we're using. Okay, is there something that is working for you and for me? Is there something that is not working? Is there something that we need to change? And then we make changes and then we continue for the remaining 4 weeks, okay? And even longer if that is what you want. Okay, so that is the process. We'll figure out your why, you outline your goals, then you actually start speaking, and then we review. And the final step usually is to figure out a way for you to continue speaking, because so many people learn and then they forget, okay? Or maybe there's nobody to speak with and then they forget. So we figure out a plan that you can use to continue speaking even after the coaching ends. Okay, so this is the process. And how do you get to this process? Like I said, if you watch the video, which I'll give you a link below, it will explain these things I've explained again. And then you will click a link and schedule a call. Okay, and we'll get on the phone and then we'll talk and we'll discuss the steps. Okay, discuss why you're learning, we'll discuss your goals. Okay, and you ask any question that you want to ask that I haven't covered here. Okay, and you get answers. And if at the end of our call, it's a great fit for you, and I think, and if I also think it's a great fit that I'm able to teach you, because it might be that you don't need me. Let's say you come and discover that you know a lot already. It might be that you don't need my coaching, okay? But if we both decide that it's a great fit, then we go ahead, okay? You make your payment and we start working together. Okay, so that's how my one-to-one coaching happens. Okay, so the free stuff is here on YouTube. We have a lot of free materials. You have on my website, in the Facebook group. Okay, but when you're ready to move to the next step, okay, because on YouTube you don't actually get a chance to speak, do you? You just listen to me talking. But when we work one-to-one, you can speak Igbo. Okay, so there won't be that problem of there's nobody to speak with because I'll be your speaking partner. Okay, so you speak, and when you do your homework as well, you speak, you record yourself, and I review it. Okay, all right. So that's how to work with me one-on-one. If there's something I haven't covered now, because this is a short video, of course, when you come on the call, we'll discuss more of your questions. Okay, right? So if you are interested in working with me one-on-one, there's a link below this video. Just click it. All right, and I'll see you later. Enola, I'm going to call the O Nasugbo.